Hello, this is Sung Park again with your weekly update on AddPicto for Google Slides, Docs, and Sheets. I'm just going to share my screen. So the big update is that Icons is finally live. So now with AddPicto, you'll be able to mask images from Unsplashed.com. You could mask images from your desktop or Google Drive. And finally, you can now mask icons. So I'm just going to quickly illustrate that. Go to Add-ons, launch AddPicto. And that will come up. And so what you want to do is first select the shape that you like. I guess I will pick this one. So from there, you could search for anything. Again, this is searching unsplash images. So let's say dogs. And yeah, why not? This little bugger. Great. And then we can, actually, you know what? I'm going to change this to this guy. Yeah. And then I'm going to insert. And what that will do is insert this picto, which is essentially a masked image in a shape. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size, and there's number one. So the second thing I can do is go to upload image from Drive. If you click on this little here, it'll bring up your desktop file finder in order to select the image that you want. Or when you do so, you'll see that the images gets uploaded into your Google Drive, and you'll be able to access them again. So I've selected this image, which is a transparent GIF. I could also change the color of the shape. So I'm going to change it to the green. And then I'm going to say insert. And that will insert that. Great, 2 for 2. Just going to reduce the size. So then center it. Perfect. And then the last one is the icon. So another thing you could do is just copy and paste this like so. And then I'm just going to put it here and make sure it's aligned. There we go. And I can either change the shape. You know what? I'm just going to pick this one because why not? Change the color. And if I click on this little arrow, I can now click on search icons, and here are icons. So I could do a search for dogs, and I found a little dog icon. And again, you could rotate the icons if you want. You could flip it. Yeah, that looks nice. And you could also obviously change the color. So I'm going to change this to purple. Ooh, maybe not. Blue, maybe a darker blue. There we go. And once you're happy with that, you can just click on insert. Notice that I have this particular graphic selected, and I'm going to click on insert. What that will do is replace the selected image. And there you go. Now I have 3. And if you're like, no, I actually don't like that, I want it to be the same as the other ones, I could just quickly select the shape and insert again, and it will then replace this with this updated shape. And then you'll see that I have to resize this because we'll get to that later, but there you go. And let's make sure it's aligned because I like things to be aligned. Perfect. And there you go. Now you have 3 things again, masking images from Unsplash, masking images from your desktop or those that are uploaded into your Google Drive, and finally icons. And there's a lot of icons. These icons are from the materials icon from Google. And our plan is to add more icons as time passes. That's our update. Thanks so much. And do give it a try if you give a lot of presentations.